How to order tequila even for absolute beginners. Now there's 4 main types of tequila, let's break it down in 1 minute. So first things first, tequila is alcohol made from blue agave plants harvested in Mexico before being fermented and distilled into alcohol. The first type of tequila is where alcohol is distilled and bottled without being aged, and it's called a blanco tequila, also known as a silver tequila. Now, if the alcohol is aged for at least 2 months and up to a year, it becomes a reposado, which means rested tequila. The third type of tequila is an añejo tequila, and it refers to tequila aged for at least a year. Finally, the fourth type is an extra añejo tequila, and it refers to tequila aged even further for at least 3 years. Now, taste-wise, here's how you differentiate it. The less time a tequila is aged, the more of the agave flavor profile it retains. But the longer time it spends in a cask, the more it takes on the flavors and the natural colorings of the oak used for the cask. Typically, blanco tequilas tend to have this citrus peppery profile, and as you move to the right of the spectrum towards aged tequilas, they start to take on more nutty espresso flavors or notes like cinnamon spices and vanilla with darker coloring. Use this as guidelines the next time you're shopping for tequila, and follow to learn more about tequila and other spirits.